أمرت أن أكون من المؤمنين. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O you mankind, if you are in doubt as to my religion, Islam, then know that I will never worship those whom you worship beside Allah, but I worship Allah who causes you to die, and I am commanded to be one of the believers. وأن أقم وجهك للدين حنيفا ولا تكونن من المشركين. And it is revealed to me, direct your face, O Muhammad sallallahu